Ochoa bike check. Okay, so I'm running the premium whiskey bars, ODI grips, impact bearings, with the Colt top load, then fit blade forks, Primo hub with the Colt hoop, the animal tire, and I'm running 4 Colt pegs for now. I'm running Fiend and Bro frame with the Odyssey JCPC paddles, Colt cranks, the Colt member sprocket, Shadow half-link chain, and on the back running a Premium Stinger hub with a Colt hoop also, and 4 Colt pegs, so, and then I'm running the Fiend fat seat with a fit short post.
Short post.
Yeah, it was pretty short for fucking inch. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.